guys? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope you guys are staying safe. Okay, so I was thinking about something, right? There are a lot of award shows and events where we see a lot of people from Hollywood trying out new styles, new dresses, new stuff. उससे मुझे ये thought आया that we don't really get to see Bollywood stars on the red carpet anymore, because all I can see is paparazzi videos of them either going to the airport or coming back from a holiday or taking their child to a school, or literally just really boring stuff like that. There have not been some prominent fashion red carpet moments in Bollywood as of late. I think I'm missing it a little bit, so I did a little bit of research and I found out that this year's Filmfare Awards were just held in March, which is not just, but it is still very recent अगर बाकी सब चीजों से compare करें. And I think I'm gonna review that because I really just want to see what the deal is nowadays. Back when I was really young, Filmfare Awards used to be like a huge thing, but I don't think they are anymore. I think we're gonna find out today. I should probably hydrate myself. I just get very tired of talking very quickly nowadays. But you know what else feels dehydrated? My skin. I'm glad you guys asked. Festive season is here, but sadly so are winters, which means dry, dehydrated skin. This super busy schedule can leave our skin asking for a little more than basic skincare. It is a well-known fact that hydration plays an important role in terms of giving the skin a natural glow that we all crave for during the festive season especially. However, if we have other skin issues, hydration is not going to be the only thing that helps our skin out. The Derma Co understands this perfectly, and hence it brings to you active based face serum sheet mask with 5 active ingredients to tackle different skin concerns along with providing intense hydration. Each mask combines hyaluronic acid with 5 different types of active ingredients to give your skin a glowing look with deep hydration. So let's get ready for our Insta-worthy skincare regime and give our skin the care that it deserves and the glow that we all long for. These anytime, anywhere skincare hacks deliver the benefits of deep hydration along with active ingredients to your skin within 20 minutes. And you know what the best part is? All these masks are fragrance-free and can be used for all skin types. Isn't that great? Always start with cleansing your face with a face wash. Unfold the mask and apply it on your face for 20 minutes. Then remove the mask and gently massage the serum onto your face until it gets fully absorbed. Everyone's skin is different and hence skincare is different for everyone. If you want to know what skincare products you should use, the Derma Co has a feature called the Skin Assessment Test where people can feed in information about their skin, and the platform helps by recommending products based on the skin type and the concern. The Derma Co is designed by dermatologists and all the new Derma Co products are fragrance free. Do not forget to follow up with a good sunscreen. So if you want to try these out for yourself, these are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, and you can use my code SWAMI20, that is SWAMY20 for 20% off your purchase. Now that my skin feels a little better, let's move on to the video. So my camera battery died and I had to rush it to the hospital. No, not the hospital. I had to charge it really quickly, but abhi bhi I can see कि सिर्फ half ही charge हुआ है. This is probably a reminder that I need to get an extra battery, but I found this website that has a lot of pictures from the 66th Vimal Ilaichi Filmfare Awards 2021 red carpet. I don't really know what I feel about Vimal Ilaichi being the head sponsor for Filmfare Awards and what it exactly says about Filmfare as a whole, but it makes me a little uncomfortable, and so does this website. This is, I think, the Times of India. It's a great newspaper, right? We have all, I think, grown up reading the Times of India and Hindustan Times. This website for some reason looks like really sketchy adult website that you're not supposed to go on because of all the ads and the weird placements, and I don't know. First off, we have Sara Ali Khan. Let me just start off by saying this. I think she is really pretty. I really like her personality, but this dress and the shoes and her hair, it's making her look like a Disney adult. You know, the adults that go to Disneyland and they wear those Mickey Mouse wala headband and they just somehow enjoy it. I mean, no disrespect, you do you. And I hate those shoes. I don't exactly know what the stylist was going for here. It's very messy. It does not flatter her body at all, which by the way is really nice. I don't like this at all. Second, we have Sunny Leone and her husband, I think Daniel. Yes, that's her husband. I think they look pretty decent. They look nice. I would have liked it personally more. What? I just wish Sunny had like a different hairstyle, because this poker straight hair on one side, it's a little off-putting, nah? I can't tell. I have really bad judgment today, and I'm not too sure why I'm doing this today, but yeah. Apart from that, I think together look really nice. Next, we have Taapsee Pannu. Oh, I love Taapsee Pannu. I think she's a great actor. She is quite vocal, which is a great thing. Maybe not. Let's not go there. I really like her. But oh my god, I hate this dress. I hate it with every fiber of my being. Why is it so shiny? Why is the tail on the front? If you guys have seen any red carpet photos, you would notice that the tail or the bottom of the dress is usually placed behind the dress where the actors pose, so that it does not look this weird. This looks very weird. It looks like a monkey jiska poonch wo aage karke baitha hai, and it looks really funny. But I don't think she was going for a funny monkey look, right? I hate that headband. What in the Gossip Girl Blair Waldorf is that? I hate it. I think her hair looks nice. She looks pretty. Her makeup looks really nice. Hate the dress, hate the mesh detail that is here. Just don't make your client wear something deep if they are not comfortable with it, but just don't cover it up with mesh, because we can all see it and it looks hideous. I think stylists need to do a little better of a job here. Even the ombre of her dress, it is really unflattering. I don't know if you guys have gone through this, but हमारे school में we used to have like white or light blue shirts, and हमारे यहाँ पर pocket होता था, and we used to keep our pens here because स्टाइल. एंड कभी कभी वो पेन्स नीचे से लीक हो जाते थे, तो यहाँ पर उसका एक मतलब ऐसा इंक ब्लॉट और ऐसा फैल जाता था इंक. So this is what the dress looks like to me. It's just very unflattering. It is not nice. It's not a nice look for her. I really hope that she fires her stylist. Next we have Ayushmann Khurrana, who for some reason looks like a sofa cover. I do not like this velvet on him. I mean, it fits really well ish. I don't know, I cannot cover this up. I just don't want to offend anyone's fan base, man. I'm trying so hard, but these celebrities make it really hard for you to like their style, because all of them are dressed so badly. Anyway, next we have Nora Fatehi. Again, another woman that I love her personality. She's just so charming. She's so beautiful. I surprisingly really like this dress. I think the silver looks really good on her, and all the green jewels, all her rings, her earrings, her makeup, her hair, everything looks really nice. I love the drape. It almost looks like a half sari. I think it looks really nice. Not really red carpet appropriate, but like, what do I know? I just think it would look better if you were like a celebrity guest on some reality show, not on the Filmfare red carpet, but I still like her, so I'm gonna give her a free pass. Next we have Alaya F, who is Pooja Bedi's daughter. I think she's really pretty. I have not seen any of her movies, so I cannot comment on that, and I don't want to, because what do I know about acting? Clearly nothing. All I know is that she's really pretty, she's really fit, and I love this color on her. I just wish this was a little well structured from the bottom. It's a little off-putting. I don't know why it looks like those old school telephone wires. I love the sleeves. The sleeves are... Next we have Manish Paul. We all love Manish Paul. Personally, I think he's one of the best hosts India has, but I don't think I like this. No I don't. And especially because his blazer, and I think he's wearing a vest inside, और वो दोनों यही shimmery material के है. I do not like this look on Manish Paul. I think he's a very good looking man, but this look with the tiny little satin bow tie, Next we have Tamanna, who is wearing what I would have wanted to wear on my 5th or 6th birthday. It's so bad, it is so childish. I don't understand what is it with stylists wanting to make their clients look like kids. It is a little perverted and a little twisted if you ask me. First Sara Ali Khan in that fluffy gown dress situation, and now Tamanna in this god awful dress. She is so beautiful. They could literally have put her in like a sack, बोरी में डाल के उसको भेज देते, and she still would have looked really nice. But the entire corset, it fits very weirdly. It cuts at her waist and then it goes bleh. I do not like the cups. They look so weird, and overall this is making her look very bulky, which of course is not a nice look. No, I hate this dress. I was looking at it for like another second because I thought मुझे कुछ तो positive मिल ही जाता है, but no, I hate it. Next we have Rajat Barmeja. First off, is that a Milton water bottle? What? Why does he have a water bottle in his hand? This is so bizarre. And is he wearing, oh my god, he's wearing a t-shirt and उसका blazer का एक button नहीं लगा हुआ है. Who is dressing them up? I do not understand. Is this like a parody account? I wanna cry. The shoes look fine, but I would not have gone for shoes with a red detail on the red carpet. अगर उसको लोग एक button खोल के भेज सकते हैं, then I don't really understand how important this client is for the stylist. I'm so sorry for saying this. We need some serious changes in Bollywood. So my camera battery is about to die again, and I do not have the patience to sit down here and like film for another 1 hour. So I'll straight away skip to my favorite look of the entire event, and it's Shriya Pilgaonkar. She was in Mirzapur if I'm not wrong. She's wearing this silk satin suit and her hair is all curly and nice. Her makeup is bronzy. I love this look. This is so stunning. Even the heels, so on point. The details, love it. The color on her, stunning, amazing. I really think all the other stylists need to take some notes. And for my least favorite, well, it was literally everyone else, all of them. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked this video. I am talking really fast because my battery is about to go out. So this was really fun for me to talk about. If you guys like this video, make sure that you like, share, subscribe, do your thing. Make sure that you subscribe. Why aren't so many of you subscribed yet? So my camera did a very disrespectful thing right now. Anyway, if you guys made it to the end, make sure that you comment down below what your favorite look was. I don't think it's gonna be that tough. I think we all have one favorite look for sure. And let me know how you like these kind of videos, because I personally really like doing them. I think I'm slowly but surely finding my interest and my genre. I don't know, I just need you guys to tell me if you guys like this or not. And I'll see you guys the next time. Okay, I'm done talking now. I always talk so much right when the video is about to end. Alright, I'll see you guys the next time. Bye!